Donner Laboratory here at University of California, Berkeley, California, United States, but this is definitely something older. Looks like an OTIS. Let's see if all the elevators here live up to name. Old US call station means it's something much older. So let's see what this is. There's an alarm bell for the alarm. Fire alarm box. That's an interesting way of calling a pull station. Here it is. Let's see what this is. Oh yeah, it's an OTIS. Ooh, look at that, 3 bars. Oh wow. Wow. Look at this.
It smells funny.
Wow, that was smooth. This is fan. This is a traction elevator. It's a base model OTIS. Can't tell if this is hydro. Oh, this is hydro. Okay. 3 bars. Wow. Look at this. It's got the rubber bumper. Squishy, squishy. That's an older, a newer OTIS bumper. Look at that stop switch. Outlet in here. That's an EPCO button. Wow, older OTIS with the bakelite buttons, the smaller ones. Oh, look at that. Car buttons. You can turn the whole COP off. Look at that emergency light. Doesn't work. That's new. Cab is pretty beat up. Wonder how the ceiling got all scratched up. Love the carpet walls. This is a beauty. It's very slow though. Guess that's not gonna ring. Yeah. Awesome elevator.